season, and a giant freebie coming right up. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I'm here for you every day. I save you money on the items you request. We do unboxings, I test items, and more importantly, I give everything I test away for free to you, the amazing subscribers watching right now. And if you are not subscribed and you're watching this, I'll explain how to make sure you get hooked up at the end of this video. Yes, there are some great drones that we're gonna be putting to the test. And since I am over the age of 30, I don't hold the credibility of many of the kids that are going to test these deals for me, and that's totally cool. One of the great things about this channel is I feature items which aren't paid products, where we send them out to real testers, and if they surpass the test, then I show you the savings when those items drop in price. And then in terms of all the other products, stores send them to me for free, and it's not right that I keep them when we can give them away to you. Now, before we get to the insane drone flight tests, and I'll show you what some of the camera footage looked like, I also want to mention that in addition to giving this away to you, we bought a bunch of these which we're also giving away to local charities. So we're going to try and make sure as many toys get into the hands of kids who need a little bit of a boost this holiday season. Let's get to the drone, and then we're going to do the other two deals that I'm pretty excited about as well.
Hey Matt, thanks for sending us the drone to test out. I love all the advanced features and how easy it is to fly.
My favorite part is the camera. It's really cool.
I really love how it responds very well compared to all the other cheap brands right on the mountain.
I especially like the HD camera. You can see everything from the drone view.
Now for me, of the, I believe, 14 different drones we tested this holiday season, how I judge them is how quickly someone, or in this case a 15-year-old, can pick up the drone without any experience and fly it effectively. And I don't just mean ascending and descending, I mean actually taking the drone on a course of flight where you can capture good footage, but also take it from point A to point B, and this drone definitely pulls it off. The size of the drone is great. We flew it on a stormier day, as you can see, and it has real-time HD video transmission to the remote and 360-degree flips, which are awesome. $50 off with free shipping is the lowest recorded price. Despite a lot of stock, this is going to sell out. And just as a comparison, the best price on eBay for this drone right now is $200. I found it for $148. My second favorite toy deal today is this $25 kids microscope kit.
It's me, Lucy the Deal Girl, and I'm here with my brother, Luca, and today I am doing a deal on the Kids Microscope kit with bonus telescope. And by the way, you can see cotton fibers in here, and it's literally the coolest thing ever.
And you can see bugs and wasps in there too.
And even spiders. And I spy you, all the viewers out there that want this. And by the way, there are extra lenses.
And rounding out our top 3 most popular toy picks, the 3D pens and this Doodler Essential Pack located right under this video screen.
Okay. I like making some rings, you know, some bracelets.
And when I grow up, I would like to make the robot.
Yeah, let's carve some robots. Bye, man.
So again, you know where to find the drone, and you also know why I'm leaving this one boxed. That's so I can give it away to you. The microscope, again, that deal located right under this video screen. And I just also want to mention that if you see some of the other 3D Doodler Essential Pen Kits elsewhere, this is a different version of the kit where you get some extra accessories. So this is the lowest recorded price at the time we were recording this. All right, you ready for the giveaway? Let's go. Using TubeBuddy's Pick a Winner tool to find a randomly selected subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months, and you need your notifications turned on to hear this. Marshall Taylor, congrats, you've won the 3D pen kit. Congratulations, Ryan Testa, you have won the Kids Microscope kit. And saving the best for last, the drone. And this is an amazing subscriber, one of my favorite people who comments on every video. All of you just email support@mattsdailydeals.com to claim your freebies. And yes, we are still giving away an iPad Air 2, another laptop. There's going to be another huge giveaway right here as well within the next week. So please stick with us. Yes, I love giving away free stuff. You are now hooked up. And for those of you that want access to any of my other future freebies, seriously, there's nothing that makes me happier than giving away items for free, especially during the holiday season. It's a very simple process. And rather than I tell you how it works, I'll pass this along to intern Casey.
Hey everyone, intern Casey here. I'm at school at the moment, but I still found a way to make it in one of Matt's videos. If you want to become subscribed to his channel, click right here in his head. Also, if you want to learn how to turn your YouTube notifications on, click right up here and we'll help you out. And if you want to see another